Taking a look at activity 3 now. So we're adding some colour to our web page. Colour is spelt incorrectly for Australia, but because we're using an American platform as in coding, we have to spell it the American way. So activity 3 asks us to break each sentence of the text inside the paragraph tag into separate paragraphs. So let's go over and do that now. So there's a full stop here. So we'll close the first paragraph tag. And just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to add a new line. We just learned that it doesn't make a difference on the right hand side on the actual web page, but it does make a difference for me to know where I'm up to. Okay, and one more here. Now we're getting this pink error here because I don't have a p tag to start that off. So remember, it'll only go pink when you've got an error. I might get rid of this so it doesn't actually go pink at all, so you can get used to that. Because if you see pink, it's something you've got to action. You've got to do something to fix it. Okay, so we've done the first step. We've broken it down into each paragraph. We've got, this should say 4 paragraphs and 1 heading. So if we run that, that's exactly what it looks like. Next, we're adding in some style, a color of 000000. Well, if we googled that, it'll come back with black. Okay, that's the color of that hexadecimal code. So the code here is style equals color, the American spelling, colon, and then that code. So I'll try that out. So I'll do it on the heading tag. Style equals quotation marks color, colon, hexadecimal color of 000000. And if I hit run, probably not going to see any change because it was black to start with. But it's a good sign that this has gone green and this is yellow. So the next part of this is it's asking us to visit HTML color picker and choose 4 different colors because we're going to style each different tag a color. So let's start off with, let's come up with red by default, so let's use that for our first one. So I'm going to copy that over, Control C. I'm going to put it in here instead of black, Control V. And Ryan Martin up the top here has changed colors. Now I need to do this for each one. I'm going to type out this first one, but once you've got the code, you can really just copy and paste it and then come and choose your different color. Okay, so just double checking, the task activity was to make each line or each sentence a separate paragraph and then color that paragraph using the style code inside the p tag. So it's important it's in the first one. I'm not trying to put it at the end. It doesn't look like this because a closing p tag wouldn't actually work. So I'm putting it in the first p tag and not the closing p tag. Things like this might cause errors if you have unwanted spaces, so just be aware of that. Be aware of if you have a space after your tag closes, it could end up with an unwanted spaces there as well. And each one of these is in a p tag. Alright, that's activity 3 complete.